Hello and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today I'm sharing with you this Lannar home in Southern California. It boasts grand decor and the epitome of using the color black for any decor. I can't wait to share this wonderful home with you guys. Let's get started. This builder has set the tone with these beautiful beech wood oak floors in the entryway, and then they've decorated it with wonderful wall art. I have just been amazed with this wall art. So we're going to take a stroll through the great room, and I'll walk you guys through some of the features that are absolutely amazing. First up is this large entryway. The entry point, it is super wide. They've added a marble on the walls, and I thought this element was very unique in itself because this model home, it's not modern, but it is a perfect example of transitional, where we're mixing those contemporary elements with some more traditional elements, and it turned out absolutely fabulous. I love just the small touches of black. The cocktail table is black, the black trim on the draperies, a couple of black pillows. No matter what your style is, this black is perfect. This dining room, it's not overstated. I love the light chairs combined with the dark table and the dark woods. Just a hint of organic succulent plants. The chandelier is understated. Builders have decided to just open up the floor plan and have such a large inviting area where everyone can just conversate and be comfortable, and this kitchen does not cut any corners at all. The island is about 10 foot wide. You've got the quartz countertops made to look like granite. It's a beautiful taupey color, so the gray isn't too prominent. That backsplash, it is taken throughout the entire wall. This first floor powder room, I love the idea of going all out with the wallpaper. I have a video talking about how wallpaper is going to explode for 2022, and this is the perfect example. With this plan, you have a mother suite or a in-law suite that you can access from indoors or from outdoors. And it's perfect because there's a small bedroom area, a living room area, you have a kitchen, and it's decked out. There is a lovely powder room, and this is a great example of using that black and contrasting that with the white. Here's another look at this kitchen. It's not a full kitchen because there's no cooking utensils there, but you do have a refrigerator, you have a sink, a beautiful window to look out. This is an excellent idea, and the builder just nailed it. You guys know I love a dramatic stairwell, and this sets the tone. The black contrasting it with the white and the earth tone, large prints, because it's not a large stairwell. So you've got 2 prints and it's wonderful. Upstairs, they created another open area for a loft, and if it's a multi-family, this area here is just for the teenagers, or it can be a study area or a music area. Enjoy the rest of the video. This home is amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see this master bedroom. Stunning. I want everything inside of it. At the end of this video, I'll tell you guys what this house is selling for, and you tell me if it was worth it.
It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. Yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Yesterday. Ooh.
is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't. same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out. Skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out. Skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need. Say, oh, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
What do you think? Was it worth it? Was that primary bedroom to die for? Absolutely. Lannar Homes did a fabulous job with this model. The selling price is $950,000. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you think this house is worth $950,000. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.